We continue to track the big-time chill that's coming to the central portion of the United States. It will impact our temperatures here, but we are going to go back and forth between 50s, 80s, 70s, 60s as we head towards Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday. The jet stream, which is primarily off to the north of the nation, is going to bring a major dip and allow for some seriously chilly air for this time of the year to not only impact the central United States, but head out west, head towards the east. But the jet stream is actually going to be directly overhead. So we are going to be fighting with a boundary that continues to meander back and forth through West Michigan. So on some days, Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday, the northern counties could be in the 50s and 60s, while the southern counties are in the 70s and 80s. So that's that fight between fall and summer that is coming here during the middle portion of next week. That moves overhead as we head towards the end of the week and into the weekend. So it's going to get chillier for everyone by that point in time. Here are the temperatures for Labor Day. That system really doesn't move on in and impact our temperatures for Labor Day. Upper 60s, low to mid 70s expected. But as we head towards Tuesday, that boundary really starts to set up in the area. South of it, we're talking about south of I-94, in the 80s. North of it, barely getting into the 50s. Only 54 in Big Rapids on Tuesday. There will be some rain-cooled air in the northern counties. There's going to be quite a bit of rain and thunderstorm activity for Tuesday and Wednesday. Then the models have it moving off to the north, so most of us get into the 70s, well into the 80s possibly. Then it meanders back into West Michigan, and those to the north only in the 60s, lower 70s. South of it, we're still likely going to be in the 80s on Thursday, and then Friday it's back down to our south, and we're all back down into the 60s, close to 70. So we do have a complex of showers and thunderstorms that are going to move close to West Michigan by tomorrow morning. It will bring the chance of an isolated shower or storm during the morning and afternoon hours, but we will get a mixture of sun and clouds. Partly sunny skies expected to take us through the majority of Sunday. It will not be a washout by any means necessary. If we do get enough sunshine, the cold front that is expected to move through during the evening overnight period is going to spark some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and any storm that does develop runs the risk of being strong to severe with damaging wind gusts, large hail. Can't even rule out a tornado because that jet stream is right overhead. So we got a lot of spin in the atmosphere that's going to move through just as those storms develop. Now that front will be off to our south on Labor Day, and then again it will start to meander back into West Michigan, and north of that we've got heavy rain, thunderstorms developing, and that will continue to churn its way through West Michigan Tuesday into Wednesday before that front moves off to the north. All that rain moves off to the north, and we get to enjoy at least a little bit of summer returning on Wednesday before it goes right back into West Michigan, and we go back into the showers and thunderstorms and the temperature roller coaster. There's that severe weather risk. We are under a marginal to slight risk, lightning and heavy rain. The highest risk was wind and hail. Now, Lake Michigan going to be very dangerous the next couple of days. Gale warnings tomorrow, small craft advisory into Labor Day. High risk both days. Stay out of the water, stay off the piers. 7-day forecast. We're at 80 on Wednesday, back into the 60s for next weekend.